All right, so I've got a bandsaw lined up to check out. It's just a little cheapy. It's a 10-inch, but what it's got going for it is it's got a 110 220 motor. So if it's a bit underpowered, I've got 220 here set up, and I'm good at moving it around power. So I'm going to probably check that out today. We're going to dump shred. We're going to dump some, just everything that's not clean and can't go in the garage easily. So, just these little staples here. Like so. Yeah, anyway, I'm going to work on this here. It's good. It's a nice dry cold right now. So it's like the nicest, the second nicest time to work outside is when it's a nice dry cold like this. Feels good to be outside. So just clean up some aluminum here. There's all these little zones. I can just do it and make the place look a little better. I hung on to this stuff all this time. The least I could do is make $10 off it. I was like, there we go. It's nice to clean up a little zone. Okay, we got a bit of extruded on that last pickup there. And then we're going to just pick up this tin here from the HVAC job. And then head out and check out that bandsaw. It's $75, so, you know, it's like whatever. A new blade's going to cost $30. A nice bimetallic blade. That'll be good. I can chop up my firewood and a bunch of stuff. I think it's just going to be, I should have had one earlier, but I think it's going to be quicker and easier than my skill saw and everything else. So, clean up the concrete. So this here is a garden hose actually, and it is stainless, so I don't know, it seems like too much to let it go. It's coming apart pretty easily. Quite a bit of it too, so let's go like that here. Oops. Couple more cuts. All right, and that's coming apart pretty good here. Let's see that one there. Oh, that's coming. Oh, it's going good. Oh wow, look at that, hey? Nice and easy. Look at that. Well, that's honestly, considering what a little piece of garbage. Oh, I knew that was going to happen. You're not supposed to back it up. Well, that was my fault. Sorry, that was my fault. They said don't back it up while it's running. I just read that. I literally just read that. That's my fault. Okay, let's reset it here. Let me do this here. Yeah, I just read it. Go, don't back it up while it's da-da-da. Whoops. Oh. Come on. Oh, I'm going to break the blade. Okay, there we go. Okay. Well, it works good. Okay, let's see here. This one here.
Doesn't work in reverse though, bro.
I know. Well, here, let me undo this here. Oh, I see. This comes out like that. Okay. Just redo that again here. I put a little kink in it. Oh, I think it's just too loose too. Oh, it's super loose.
Oh, you loosened it.
Back, I loosened it. That's what I was trying to tell you. Oh, okay. I didn't know that. Was that the tensioner?
Yeah, that's it. Well, loosen it. Put it back on.
Try that again here. Okay. Now I guess you're supposed to just walk. Oops. Oh, that's the wrong way. That's why. You're supposed to go forward. Supposed to go forward, bro, not reverse. That's why. Okay. Okay, that's good. Now. Okay, that's all it was. Yeah. Okay, so a couple.
Tension there.
Okay, so let's. Okay. Look at that. Look at that. What was that?
I don't know, there was a spark that came out of the...
Okay, well, we'll just be cautious. Weird, it's like cracking away. Kind of works. Yeah. I mean, the blade's kind of too thin to do decent cuts on this. But
Well, the higher you put...
I know, but it needs to be that high. Like, it's the thin little blade, and it's not... It should be in the track, but it's... Anyway, it's a little flimsy little thing. But look, it did cut this pretty good. I mean, I can sell these as is, But
The main thing too is start straight and just keep going straight. Every time you turn it to try and pull, you're pulling the blade out.
No, I know.
You're just going to go further away. You're best to just stop.
Try to angle it.
Start.
Yeah. Let's try to start a pretty awesome.
Just stay straight.
That's
because
it.
if you...
Yeah, I know. He doesn't want to pull it. I should have been turning it, not twisting it, so that's fine. Okay, that's good. Yes, because now, see, if you do that, then these just pop right out. Bruh. Look at that, bruh. Just like candy, bruh. Like candy. Look at that, bruh. Just like... Okay, so the original cord, the wire is bare, and I was afraid it was sparking. Probably a little flake of aluminum landed on it. That's why. So I just put a new cord on it here. It's it's a piece of junk anyway. But whatever. It's a fun piece of junk to play with today. So I'm gonna play with it today. And yeah, got her all set up here. I'm gonna make sure. I don't know if this is a reversible motor, but we'll figure that out here soon. Got white and black. There we go there. This closes. Okay, time to see if it's gonna pop or what's gonna happen here. So the problem we're having is that this motor is just weak. Probably the start capacitor is gone. See, it's going. Sure, like any grandpa motor, it'll once it's moving, it'll go. But so let's loosen up a little. Move it a bit. Oh, it's just a clattery frickin'. Whatever, it's no it's no worse than when I got it. Okay, whatever. Anyway, at least it's got a decent cord on it now. Okay, so it's wobbling because half of the rubber had fallen off, so the rubber is quite thick. So it's going through a low spot, high spot. So I took the rest of the rubber off. It's going to need new rubber anyways, or no rubber, but certainly half rubber is making it wobble like a freight train. And then the last question is, can we tune this up somehow so that the blade is lined up with the, or the guide is lined up with the blade? And I think we can, actually, just through this thing here. So, oh, I see, okay. Or maybe not. Why is it so far that way? Okay, so the bottom guide block was missing. So you can see I made this, took this bolt, and so this thing's flopping all over. So now probably needs a little more tension somewhere there. Anyway, it's doing a lot better than it was. Had a number of issues, but the guide block was the main one. And the rubber, oh, I see that's hitting there. Okay, that's fine. So the final test is try to cut a curved line with it. See how we do here. The side over there, so let's do a straight line first. Okay, that's a hard no. Let's try another one. See if we can figure out how to do a straight line here. Use my handy spam box to draw a straight line. Hey, Chris. Oh, look, I do have. I told Johnny I didn't have a baking pan, but I actually do. This is all brass. Okay, let's go like that here. All right. See if we can cut that. I don't know, I gotta figure out what I'm doing wrong here. Is it a twist? Is it, what am I doing wrong here? So this is the final test for this thing, I think. If I can cut through here, even if it's a bit crooked, it's kind of what the whole point of it was. So see if I can cut open this wire. Just a sec, I'm gonna put my mask on. I don't have to breathe a bunch of dust. Yeah, this thing is it's a 1/4 horsepower. It's wildly underpowered to cut through this brass. So we're going to get a different, but I learned a lot about bandsaws, adjusting the angle. Cruiser Mac, throw in your comments here. You know about these sort of things. So this is the first time I've used a bandsaw, I think, since high school. So that is, which was grade 8. So we're looking at 35 years. They're good tools, man. But no, it's not enough to power through this, the brass. But I don't know, let's try a bit of copper maybe. I mean, just for fun. It can probably get through copper, but I mean, a rabbit can chew through copper, so. Yeah, it can barely get through thin pipe, but anyway, it was able to cut the rad ends off, which was good. Yeah, whatever. It's a piece of junk, but at least it's a working piece of junk now.